Hello everyone, I'm Little K. The last issue was still a little bit short, so there are more lamps here. So it will take more time. Let's speed up a little more. If you don't understand, then you keep playing back. Just listen carefully. I'll speed up a little. Now let's take a look at what we have left. The same way of operation. Move back 10 meters. Wrong. I shouldn't be a set of lights. 1, 2. Then there is one more in the middle. Then I'll be 3 or 4 backward. 10 meters. Height 0 meters. Clear. The first set of lights. Divergence. 3 meters. The second set of lights. The third set of lights. 3 meters. The fourth set of lights. Divergence. 3 meters. Select the first set of lights. The first is 12 o'clock. The second. Also 12.1. This is 12.1 in the opposite direction. Also 12.1. And then this one is the same. 12.1. This group. 12.1. Select the first set of lights. No, it is not. Move all 4 sets of lights down. Select this set of lights again. Look this way. This is the set of lights above. What about the set of lights above? The height should be 2 in 1 grid. 10. 1,234,566. 12 meters. Height 12 meters. Select this one. Go over there. Height 12 meters. Then see if there is a fight at 12 meters. There was no fight. Then clear check it. This one is 124 meters. This is really 4 meters high. This is also 4 meters. This one moves to the left. This one moves to the right. Okay, to this. There should be a row in the middle row. Divergence. This one should be at a height of 12 meters. Now change a set of lights. What kind of lamps is this set? Array. Then we need tools. Just now, it was all divergent. Now it's time to use tools again. This is 12,345. 5 by 5. We pick the first 5 by 5. Right. First of all. Height. I'll go to 0 degrees first. Reset the wizard. A few frames into if you are at a distance. I give it the interval is 0.3. 0.3 is more than that. 0.5. This is. What is this? It is the horizontal spacing. If you have vertical spacing, probably. I look at the vertical spacing. The vertical spacing is approximately 2 meters. 2 meters. 5 by 5. XY. XY is wrong. Then XZ. The X and Z axes are occupied from left to right, from top to bottom. Level. We are level. Let's see if the level is prioritized. We flip the switch. After pressing the switch, we press the first light. Go you. Level first, no problem. Level first. Dot. I didn't light it. Remove it first. I chose the light. Reset it. Guide. 55x5x3. Okay, then we put it on the lamp head. Turn forward. Turn 90 degrees. No, it didn't work. 0.3 incorrect. 1. Rice is not good. This lamp is going to be 1.3 meters. It's too big. This lamp, the light body is too big. I didn't tune in. Okay. It doesn't matter. 1.5 meters. More than that. 2 by 2. Forget it. So be it. So be it. Move up. How many meters do you move up? It is enough to move 2 meters. This height moves 2 meters. 2 meters, still minus 2 meters. It should be 2 meters. After exactly 2 meters, we look at it from the top. We turn left. Hurry up. Hurry up. It should lean a little bit on this side. Then move forward. Go you. Should be here. From here. It should be visible. Okay, that's right. That's it. Let's turn the lamp when we turn back. 12,345. 12,345. Then there will be a middle here. Plug a lamp. This is a set. This is a set of done. Then let's do the second set. Clear. Select the second group, etc. The same array. It is to use it. Move this way. Then this one should be 2 meters. 2 meters. Then we go to the top stone. Turn around. I can 13.6. Let me take a look. Is that 13.6 just now? If not, pick again. 13.7. 13.6. These two groups are made again. Now turn it down again. There is also, this group is. It's not easy. Make this stage layout diagram. Here. 1,234,567. 7. Strange. How did I do 7 at that time? Words at this height. 4 meters. 4 meters high. 4 meters high. Look at it from the front. 4 meters high. Okay. 4 meters high. Divergence of 3.5. The whole thing is 7 meters. 7 meters plus. This one is above with this party lamp. The same height. 10 meters. Selection. Group 2. The second group should be this. Let me take a look at this. This one is below. Below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 also have to diverge so much. Do you want to have a bad control according to divergence? Me. Look at how much this diverges. This divergence is 4.7 to 4.7. 4.7 to 4.9. Let's press divergence again. This one can't be 4.7. This is about 4.7 to 4.9. Okay, that's all. Then go down. 4 meters. Enter 4 meters. 4 meters is okay. Then we choose this. This one is on the left. Words on the left. First, turn it over 90 degrees. It's just 1 degree off. You say it's the opposite. I'll reset it. Turn it around. Okay, you twist. It twists. Back to page 2. Move this way. Then, diverge. Wrong point. Divergence. This time diverge. Which axis is divergence? This one to diverge it. This axis. Actually, should go first. Wrong point. What should I do with it first? Put it to 0 meters. When 0 meters, let's diverge again. 4 meters. 4 meters high. After 4 meters high, let's move a little. See, enough. Is it enough? Will there be many? 4 meters, just beautiful. 5 meters, 4 meters. Okay, we select the second group. 0 meters. Press rotate. Turn to 90 degrees. It just doesn't give way to turning 90 degrees. Do you think it's powerful? It doesn't matter. And this. 2. 5 meters away because five. These two are paired. Four eyes. The 4 eyes are square. Matrix. Take a look first. Try the new 2 meters of rise. 2. Rise 10 meters. Move a little more like this. 20.5. 20.6. How many meters go in? I don't know. No matter what else you see, this is 2. This is direct. Okay. Select these 2 groups. Try from the top. Push it back. Then push. This group is not in place. Then I will choose this group. Push back alone. 2.0. This group should be 2.0. 2.3 this group. Feel. Just go in. And now there are only these 4 eyes. This 4-eyed word. Slap above. Divergence. In fact, just hit this pit. This divergence. Pit. Again 44. Hi, another group. Come down first to a place of 4 meters 2. Press divergence again. A little bit shorter. Issue 4 points. This group is also done, but I didn't move back on this group. It should be. If I want to move back this group, it should be 7.5. That just meant me. None of this has moved backwards. Take a look. What is this? The other side did not move. Watch TV. Remember, this is 7.5. 7.5. It's 7.5. All after 7.5. No problem. What is this? This should be 7.5. This should be from the previous group. Not true. That. This group should be us. Continue. Which other group? Then there are two on the side and it's fine. Choose these two as well. Put it to the end first. After putting it to the end, give it digital divergence. Select the first group. Digital divergence. For words should be 2.5, 2.51. I'm going up now. Move to the left. Push back 7.5 meters first. Move to the left. I don't feel right. I will now diverge. I'm going to move to the left. 5.5. Okay. No problem. Then diverge. Diverge a little more. Let's have an integer. Smoke it whole. 4. 7.5. Again. Positive 5. I don't even need to look at it. Positive 5. 7.5. Divergence. Turn. It should be me. Move it into place first. 7.5 is over. Not much. 7.5. That is, it has not arrived to move upwards. Okay. This one we have. It was done. All the lamps are already completed. This is building this stage. It's more troublesome, but its benefits are particularly good. It will give us a layout drawing when the time comes. It can be made in an instant. Okay, this chapter of our stage. That's it. Thank you. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Chen.